Introducing the EXC-400 microscope from ACCU-SCOPE. Developed for clinical and research laboratories, the EXC-400 delivers dependable performance for routine observation and imaging. Mounted on a quintuple nosepiece, the EXC-400's high-quality plan achromat or semi-apochromatic objectives provide remarkable clarity and detail in specimens over a large 22mm field of view. The standard ceramic hard-coated stage withstands the rigors of heavy daily use and provides excellent contrast for specimen location. The stage, focus, condenser, and illumination controls are ergonomically placed right at your fingertips for easy access, reduced fatigue, and maximal comfort during operation. The color-balanced LED illumination of the EXC-400 delivers excellent color reproduction and years of worry-free operation. The standard swing-out condenser accommodates objectives from 2x to 100x. You may also add phase contrast observation with a turret phase condenser and phase contrast objectives. The EXC-400 comes with a standard trinocular head in your choice of a 50-50 split to the eyes and camera or 100% to the camera, ideal for fluorescence applications. The dual observation configuration is perfect for training, instruction, and consultation. You can further extend the capabilities of the EXC-400 for your work with fluorescence and polarized light accessories, including for gout analysis. With an industry-leading 5-year warranty, including electrical components, the EXC-400 sets the standard for dependability and reliability for years to come. The EXC-400 microscope from ACCU-SCOPE. Quality, performance, and value for the clinical and research laboratory. ACCU-SCOPE, delivering quality through vision.